Hi, good evening, everyone. In today's section, I am going to discuss Henry's law. Students, according to Henry's law, it describes the solubility of gas in a given solution. It states that relation between partial pressure and a mole fraction of the gas. According to Henry's law, according to Henry's law, according to this one, it states relation between partial pressure and the mole fraction of the gas. See, students, according to this, the partial pressure of a gas in vapor phase the partial pressure of the gas in vapor phase in a solution is proportional to relation is directly proportional to the mole fraction of proportional to the mole fraction of gas. Mole fraction of gas. It is known as Henry's law. See, students, according to Henry's law, it describes the relation between partial pressure and describe the mathematical relation between partial pressure and mole fraction of the gas. So according to definition, relation between partial pressure here, P is partial pressure, which is directly proportional to the mole fraction. Now I write the some constant to remove the proportional, that is Kh. It is Henry's constant. This is Henry's equation. See, students, here which is in the more Kh values. The solubility of gas depends on Henry's constant. This is Henry's constant. Which is in the more Henry's constant value, it is less soluble. Higher the value of Kh, then that gas are less soluble values. See, students, I derive the relation between this, and according to the mathematical relation, suppose mole fraction on y-axis and pressure in on x-axis. Take the pressure on x-axis. This is changed like this. Here x is equal P into 1 by kh. This equation compared to slope intercept form y equal to mx plus c. Here c is intercept of y is 0. Instead of m, here instead of m is 1 by kh. Here m is slope. So this is always passing through origin, and here slope is equal to 1 by kh. This is the graphical representation between mole fraction and pressure. Okay, students, are you understood this one? Next one, limitations. Next is the limitations of Henry's law. Here Henry's law limitations. Limitations of Henry's law. Limitations. See, students, a limitations of Henry's law. This one is, in this one is pressure is not very high. It only apply the limited of pressure. Pressure is not a very high. At the same time, second point is temperature. Temperature is not a very low. Temperature is not a very low. Next, third point is gas not a highly soluble. Gas is not a highly soluble. These are the limitations of Henry's law. Okay, students. Next one, gases does not undergoes either association or dissociation. Gas does not association or dissociation. These are the limitations of Henry's law. Okay, students, please repeat again once. Here, Henry's law describes the relation between partial pressure and the mole fraction. According to this one, the partial pressure of the gas in vapor phase in a solution is proportional to the mole fraction of the gas at a constant temperature. Air condition is at constant temperature. At constant temperature. So this is the definition of Henry's law. According to the definition, this is the formula of Henry's law. This one is graphical representation between mole fraction and partial pressure. And these 4 points are limitations of Henry's law. And next class, students, we discuss some numericals based on these theory concepts. So everyone should properly once revise this.